Hi guys, Irina here and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Okay guys, I think I haven't been this excited about any piece of tech in years. So here we go, the new iPad Pro is here and let's just skip all this boring stuff and get straight to the unboxing. So here it is, the new iPad Pro with an 11-inch display. I got it in space gray. And in the box we also get a manual, a USB-C cable, and a 20-watt charger. When it comes to the design of this iPad Pro, it looks very similar to the last year's iPad Pro. It has this squared up shape and pretty much the same camera bump. But the thing is that for the past few years, I've been using this 2017 iPad Pro with a 10.5-inch display. So for me, the difference in the design is quite dramatic. If you're curious, just check out my video about this 2017 iPad Pro. I made the video last year when I once again decided to skip upgrading to a new iPad Pro, so that's probably why I'm so excited now, because I've been waiting too long for this iPad. By the way, I also got the Magic Keyboard and a second generation Apple Pencil, since my previous first generation pencil is, of course, not compatible with the new iPad Pro. And as you can see, I got my Magic Keyboard in black. So let's attach the iPad to this Magic Keyboard. Feels pretty comfortable. By the way, I decided to go for the black Magic Keyboard because I thought that the white one would get dirty pretty quickly, but actually I have to say that this case is just a dirt magnet. Whether it's dust or fingerprints, they're just super noticeable in this case, so maybe I should have gone for the white one. The first thing I've noticed is that the display on this new iPad Pro looks so much better than the one on my older iPad Pro. The new one definitely looks more contrasty and the colors appear more vivid, so the same pictures look so different on these iPads. And also, of course, it's hard not to notice the difference in bezels when looking at these iPads. Honestly guys, my 2017 iPad Pro is still pretty good. It's quite fast and I can't really complain. However, I think I've had two main reasons for me to want to upgrade. The first one is the depleted battery. The battery life of my older iPad Pro is just not as good as it used to be. And another reason is that the design of this iPad Pro looks outdated to me and I wanted something with less bezels. By the way, I'm really happy to see 4 speakers on this iPad Pro because my older iPad was not the best in terms of overall sound volume. Most of the time it was enough, but sometimes I wish the sound could be louder, and these speakers on the new iPad Pro are so loud. The new iPad Pro is powered by the latest M1 chip, so I expect that this iPad should be really fast. Stay tuned for my comprehensive review of this iPad Pro. That's all for this video guys, let me know what type of videos you'd like to see on my channel with this new iPad Pro. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.